If you're struggling with belly fat, this will help you reduce your belly fat tremendously. Hey friends, let me put you on to my favorite drink. This will help you reduce your belly fat tremendously. It contains simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. Let's get to it. You need some water. I recommend that you get a big jar or a big container that can take a minimum of 1 liter of water. If you can find a container that can take 2 liters of water, that is perfect. Then you need a lemon, some slices of cucumber, some ginger. You can slice your ginger, dice it, grate it, blend it, whatever it is. Just make sure you have it in the water. It is very, very important. You also need mint leaves. The lemon contains antioxidants, as you may know. It helps detoxify your liver and kickstart digestion. Sometimes if I don't want to use the whole lemon, I always have this in my fridge. It's lemon juice in a container. So sometimes I use this as well. Cucumber cools the body and helps flush out toxins. Mint reduces bloating and adds a refreshing taste to the drink. Ginger. In my opinion, ginger is the most important ingredient and the lemon in here. So even if I don't have mint leaves, that's fine. Even if I don't have cucumber, that's also fine. But the ginger and the lemon, very important. Ginger fights inflammation and boosts your metabolism. I find that when I take this drink, I feel a lot lighter. I feel less bloated. I see the difference in my belly. And if you take it consistently, I advise you to take it a minimum of 7 days. I would advise actually that you take it for longer, but at least to start and see the difference. Start with 7 straight days where you drink this water. Make sure you drink at least 2.5 liters of this water every day. So when you're done drinking the water in the container and you still have your ingredients in there, you don't have to dump it out and make a fresh one. Just refill it with more water and keep it in the fridge so that the ingredients remain fresh in the water. Quick tip, prepare this drink at night and put it in your fridge until the next day. The next morning, take a glass of this drink. And then throughout the day, of course, you drink it as well. So as you're eating your food, you take a glass, you drink it with your food, and you keep going throughout the day. Take, again, up to 2.5 liters of this drink every day. If you can go up to 3 liters, that's perfect for you. Because you know what? Water in itself, excluding these ingredients, is good for you if you're trying to lose weight, especially for belly fat. So I have my water here. This is almost 2 liters of water. I'm going to add my cucumber slices to it. This is about half a cucumber. I think this is enough. Yep. Lemon slices right here. I sliced a whole lemon. If your water is going to be about 1 liter of water, that's fine. You can use half a lemon. But because I have almost 2 liters here, I sliced the whole lemon. I'm gonna keep that here. Very important. I have my ginger. I diced it up in tiny chunks, tiny chunks. So you can grate it if you want, you can blend it, you can slice it. It's your choice, whatever you choose to do. Next, I have some mint leaves here. So I'm gonna add that to it as well. And I'm going to cover this up and put it in the fridge overnight. This is what it looks like. I'll put this in the fridge, let it sit in the fridge overnight. And then tomorrow morning, I'll take a glass of this drink and then drink it for the rest of the day as well. I will encourage you to get a measuring tape and measure around your belly before you start. Then take this drink for at least 7 days straight. At the end of 7 days, check what your belly measures to see the difference and see if it's working for you or not. Make sure that you're measuring around the same time. So wake up in the morning before you start, measure around your belly. Then at the end of 7 days, on the 8th day in the morning, same time again, measure around the same spot that you measured before you started taking this drink, and tell me what the difference is. I'll be in the comment section waiting to hear about your progress. Disclaimer, you do not want to take this drink and then go about eating all the junks in the world. You want to be mindful of what you're eating as well. And I encourage you to stay active throughout the day. It's good for you, if you're on a weight loss journey, especially. As a mother of 3 who has gone through 3 cesarean sections and gone through 2 natural weight loss journeys, losing over 123 pounds of fat, I can tell you that this works. Let me know how many pounds you're trying to lose, and I'll be happy to guide you through. If you want more flat belly tips and weight loss habits that actually work, subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Until next time, stay healthy. Hey friends. Hey friend. Hey friends. If you're struggling with belly fat, let me put you on to my favorite drink. This drink works like magic. This drink works like magic. This drink works like magic.